Hi.
Someone call about a Fritzy toilet?
No, I don't think that was me. You must be mistaken.
Oh, silly me, you are my leaky faucet.
No, I think you should check next door and maybe my neighbor,
Well, maybe I should just go on and check around, just in case.
No, I think that's perfectly all right.
You just gotta do one thing.
Okay, I'm gonna close the
It'll
door
only
now.
take a second.
Please,
Just
you're
one
really
second.
strong.
Just...
Please.
Let me in!
What are you gonna do to me?
Don't worry.
Oh no. Oh no! No! What are you doing? Huh.
What are you looking at me for? Just stay out of her neighborhood.
If you watch 2.5 Men, please stop watching 2.5 Men. I'm on 2.5 Men. I don't want to be on it. Please stop watching it. Please stop filling your head with filth.